like to invite one of the representatives from Vietnam to tell us more about his country. So, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Hello everyone, my name is Nguyen. I'm from mechanical department and I am a final sem student.
So, tell us about this performance. What is it about?
Well, actually, it's a dance. The dance is based on a traditional song named "A Little Vietnam." The song is especially meant for Vietnamese living abroad, like students in UTB. Whenever we see outside, every time is the time that we find something about our country when we are living abroad. And